It's hard to get up there. I don't know any way of getting up there without an elytra. And this lady can't fly yet, even though she claims to be a raven or something.
I don't claim to. I am.
Well, and show me.
Okay.
Make a ka sound. What? Wait, stop! You sound like, I don't know, what the fuck is that? That sounds so cursed. Please listen to Takanashi Kiara's M Crow, because their sounds are pretty similar.
I love that.
No. Don't close your throat so much. No, listen.
I can't roll my R's. How are you doing that?
Of course you can.
How are you doing that? I can't. It's my tongue.
I'm not even rolling it the Japanese way. Say Nerissa.
Nerissa.
Nerissa?
Nerissa Ravencroft.
Nerissa?
Nerissa? You're ruining my throat, Chihuahua.
I'm sorry. I thought you had a talent for this kind of stuff.
Actually, well, okay. When I was born as a raven, my tongue was fused to the bottom of my mouth.
What?
Yeah, they had to cut it. The little line at the bottom. They had to cut it. So
wait, how fused? How would you describe that?
It's just like that little, that little line that connect. That was just like fused.
Fused as in it was still moving, right? But could you
no,
perhaps
barely. They had to get scissors and cut it so I could use my tongue.
But you were able to eat, right?
No, that's why I was a really angry baby because I couldn't eat.
What the fuck? That's so interesting because it's a little bit relatable to me.
No way.
It's not so bad for me, but I could probably use some cutting there.
Really? Why?
It just doesn't. I never talked about this before, but it just doesn't go out very far. I'm always fascinated when people put out their tongue and are like bleh, and I'm so embarrassed about this actually.
Don't be embarrassed.
I have troubles even eating ice cream like normal people do. That's why I just bite ice cream.
So
I guess so. Do you want to deal with my mouth?
Sure, I'll help you out.
Oh my god, we have to talk more after the stream, about our tongues. We have to discuss our tongues.
We could discuss our tongues together. I'm kidding.
Crow.